Quantum Color delivers up to 115% more color than standard 4K TVs. Ultra Bright 1200 delivers detailed highlights at up to 1200 nits of brightness. 240 local dimming zones allows for deep black levels with stunning depth and contrast. Dolby Vision HDR, capable of displaying a wider spectrum of colors and detail. Includes HDR10 and HLG content support. 4K Ultra HD, 4 times the resolution of 1080p with over 8 million pixels. VIZIO SMART TV, browse favorites like Netflix and Hulu using the included remote or SmartCast mobile app. Chromecast built-in, offers thousands of streaming apps, standby power consumption less than 0.5 W, hands-free voice control, supports Alexa and Google Assistant. VIZIO Watch Free, enjoy free TV from 100+ channels. Screen mirroring, easily stream from your phone, tablet or laptop with Chromecast built-in. Here are some of the customers' reviews for this. We have divided it as pros and cons. Pros, blank, it's light and the stands on the feet are very sturdy. For the one I tested, I didn't mount it to the wall, but you have the option if you want to. You'll still need another person to help you out because even though it's light, this VIZIO TV is still big. There is a decent amount of down-facing connections such as 3 HDMI connectors, USB port, and a variety of others. Some TVs provide limited connectors, my experience with Samsung, but VIZIO isn't one of them. For me, the setup process is very simple and only took 5 minutes to complete as the software guides you along. The borders are thin and in no way distracting when I was watching anything with this. I do see this as a beautiful display for the price you're paying because the quantum color technology allows for a more accurate, and wider, color gamut coverage. One of the biggest problems with TVs is oversaturation, and that's because the system has a poor color balance layout. The P-Series quantum color technology is the master of creating realistic color balance for the primary and secondary color points. In an open living I was in, the results created a very immersive experience when I was watching Terminator 2, especially the last 20 minutes. The local dimming zones are significant and fantastic. The P-Series creates a greater contrast ratio and less thriving images that have oversaturated highlights. This means it helps creates more natural color in the images that have color, and makes blacks darker without the fear of oversaturation. From what I'm seeing, the local dimming feature in the P-Series shines at dark areas on the screen, and when quick reacting scenes come into play. Great motion handling as it has an accurate response time. With fast-moving action scenes, the effects are shown more in these clips. I can see this effect really come alive when it was the first fight scene in T2. Excellent black uniformity, which also shines if you're in a dark room, watching a dark scene. Was very happy for VIZIO's brightness levels. Buying this for an open floor room, with windows bringing in sunlight, this television can counter any form of daylight. Reflecting handling is well made and I found no issue with any form of glares. I played Assassin's Creed PS4 and I got great shadow department and all-around vibrant colors not only at day but at night time in the game. Just like a movie, the P-Series system is amazing in the colors thanks to the quantum hardware. This also takes into account the responsiveness of the game from the low input lag the TV provides. Watching 1080p YouTube videos on this looks even better than any 4K smartphone. You can see that the system works its magic regardless of the video being shown isn't filmed in 4K in the first place. The user interface, SmartCast, is really simple and straightforward for me, and will be for you. I connected my Chromecast to it and works like a charm. Just plug it in and your phone does the rest. You can also do voice control with Google Assistant or Alexa. I have both, but I didn't put much work into this because all the software is coming from the devices and not the TV. For gamers, it retains low input gaming and a 240 Hz refresh rate. Download the remote app because with my iPhone, it's fast, accurate, and 20x better than spending your time looking for the physical one. The watch-free service is a neat gift to get with this television. It's a small, free, cable channel set. 100% ads-free. No ads when digging around the apps of this machine. Sadly, I've heard some televisions are doing this now. But I'm not seeing any on this television. Cons and oaks, blank, the P-series viewing angles are not great at all. If I'm not staring at the center of the screen, the image does degrade with the greater the angle you're watching from. It results in a noticeable banding, greater black levels, loss of brightness, and washed-out images, which isn't great for socializing events, sports games, playing videos games, etc. Note, this is what a decent amount of LCD panels face. The feet stands are very wide and you can't reverse them if your television furniture is limited. The overall color is great, but I do notice that the pure whites and grayscales do have a blue-green tint on the screen. It's not significant and it could be my TV, but it's something to note. I found that the remote layout was very confusing. For everyday use, I just stuck with the app on my phone as my remote. Click the link below for additional reviews and limited 25% discount offer right now.